Hello children, this is Merchant of Venice, Act 3, Scene 2, Class 10. We continue with this same scene. This is part 7. Portia has delivered her dialogue. She says, "You see me, Lord Bassanio, where I stand, as such as I am, though for myself alone." She says that, "You see, Lord Bassanio, as I am standing here, I am as I am in reality. I have no ambition for it." She says that, "Though for myself alone, I would not be ambitious in my wish." So she is telling, "I have no ambition for myself, but for your sake, I wish myself to be much better. To wish myself much better for your sake." She is telling to Bassanio. "Yet for you, I would be troubled 20 times myself. I wish that I might be troubled 20 times." Means it is 60 times. 3 times of 20. It is 60 times myself to be better. 1,000 times more fair, 1,000 times more beautiful for you, 10,000 times more rich. So I wish I would be 10,000 times more rich than I am, that only to stand high in your account, I might in virtues, beauties, living friends exceed account. I wish to stand respectable in your eyes. I might be worth more than what one can be in terms of virtues, in terms of beauty, in terms of property, livings, and in terms of friends. But the sum total, but the full sum of me is sum of something which, to term in gross, is an unlessoned girl, unschooled, unpracticed, happy in this." She is telling that but the sum total of myself is the total of something which may be expressed as an inexperienced, unlessoned. She is telling herself to be unlessoned girl, unschooled girl, unpracticed girl, but happy in this state. She is not yet so old, but she may learn. She says that, Portia is saying that, "I am not so old to learn anything." Happier in this, she is not bred so dull, but she can learn. She is happier because she is not so slow in nature that she can't learn. Happiest of all is that her gentle spirit commits itself to yours, to be directed as from her lord, her governor, her king. So happiest of all because she is telling, "I have a gentle disposition that I can entrust myself to you to be guided as if by its lord, governor, and king."